1972 Chevrolet Malibu two-door hardtop here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Kind of a burnt orange in color. $383 underneath that cowl induction hood. That is paired with a 700 R4 automatic transmission with overdrive, power steering, power brakes, AC. AC blows cold. And on the drivetrain, less than 5,000 miles. Let's take a look at the front chrome, the grille, headlight surrounds. You see the SS badging, not representing this as an SS, but it does have some SS touches to it. It'll also come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. That is included in the purchase price, maybe extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out the still pictures riding on American Racing polished wheels. And you can also see behind there Willwood disc brakes. That's at all 4 corners. Black vinyl interior, bucket seat, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, check it out a little closer. Start it up, let you hear it run. Paint does show its age in a few spots. You can see some imperfections, or maybe where the paint's not quite as even here and there, but overall, fun car. Get in, drive it, enjoy it. Local roll-ins, cruise-ins. This one sounds good. Wait till we start it up. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. See dual exhaust underneath there. It does have a MagnaFlow exhaust on it. Rear end is a 12-bolt Moser Pozzi rear end to it. See a little bit of kind of checking in the paint there. Take your time looking through the still pictures. UniqueClassicCars.com. Be able to see the underside, the trunk, engine bay, interior. Let's take a look down the driver's side. Also has tubular control arms up front, front sway bar. You'll see that all in the underside pictures. You'll check that stuff out. It's like a newer interior has been installed, black vinyl. Notice it's free of rips, tears, holes. Door panels. Be able to check out the VIN and the data plate underneath the hood and the still pictures also, if you want to kind of see what this car looked like, how it was produced back in 1972, the information on that. All right, couple of things I want to point out. This right here is for your washer fluid for the windshield. That does work. Wipers work. Electric fan. Excuse me, I'm backwards on that one. This should be electric fan. Here, kick on. This would be lockout torque converter on the overdrive transmission. Had the radio working.
So we make sure that your full experience.
Vintage AC controls. And now let's go ahead and fire this up. Tach is working. Was a cold start, so I expect the temp gauge to be up. I'm assuming that this is the temp gauge and oil pressure with the aftermarkets that are working. As you can see, the cowl induction hood does work. Rumble coming out of that 383. And remember, paired up with an automatic with overdrive trans 700 R4. So a little more modern drivetrain. You want to go down the highway more than 50, 55. This one should do it. Hood pins up front. I'm going to pause this a second. It's going to take 2 hands to get this hood open. And check the engine bay out. Wrap this video up. Get a look underneath the hood there. It was an Edelbrock Performer RPM intake, 4-barrel carb. Once again, power steering, power brakes. It does have a new steering gearbox also down here. headers. A little dress up on the engine with the chrome valve covers. Air cleaner cover. It's a smooth runner, no doubt about that. Aluminum radiator. They rerouted the hosing through the fender, as you can see also. And it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. One last thing I want to mention, look at the still pictures. You're going to see the windows, the side windows up. They are tinted, so they're dark. Know your local and state laws. Depending on how dark a tint you can have. Take a look in the still pictures, you'll see what I'm talking about.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1972 Chevrolet Malibu. A very nice metallic copper color with a black interior. This is an automatic on the center console. You can tell this car's been built up a little bit. Shifts nice and firm, got some power. Doesn't take long to get up to speed. And you have that great cowl induction right there on the hood. Factory tachometer is working well. Speedometer also. Under the dash we have a water temperature of 180. Oil pressure is about 48 right now. There is a cooling fan switch I haven't needed yet because we're still under 180. Retro sound style radio. Air conditioning is blowing cold by Vintage Air. We have a nice slider for the fan speed. And that's some nice cold air conditioning. Great sound in this car. The steering wheel does appear to be clocked a little to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. This car corners well and it doesn't lean very much in the corners. If I let go of the steering, this car stays pretty straight in the lane. Maybe a slight drift to the right, could just be a tire. Very slight. Our wipers are also working. Brakes working very well. Very nice interior on this car. Fun car to drive around in. Take a look at all the pictures and read all the details at uniqueclassiccars.com.